Hey beautiful people, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is me, Subhangi. Today I'm gonna share with you how to create this look using only super duper affordable products. Yes guys, only super affordable products. So stick with me till the end. So without any further delay, let's begin. The first thing that you will need is a toner, and today I brought to you this Dabur Gulabri Premium Rose Water. Just compare it with those toners that are really expensive and high branded like 200, 300, 500, even more than that. And this is only for rupees 45 and it's a 120 ml bottle. This is the middle pack. If you buy the smaller size, that is for rupees 27 only, and that's a 59 ml bottle. And the bigger one is for rupees 64, which is a 250 ml bottle. Just think how much money you can save on this. And you can definitely use this as a toner. It's very good. I'm gonna use a cotton ball to apply this. The next things you will need are a moisturizer and a primer. But what if I say you can get both in one? Yes, you can use Aloe Vera Gel both as a moisturizer and a primer. So today I'm going to use this Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel. You can also use real Aloe Vera Gel, but right now I don't have that, so I'm using this. This is only for rupees 45 and this is a 60 ml bottle. This is the smaller size. The bigger size is of rupees 90 and it's of 150 ml. A little goes a long way. Next, for foundation today I have two options for you. One is the Lakme 925cc cream. Another one is Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation. You can also use BB cream if you want, but right now I don't have any BB cream, so I'm using a CC cream. It's a 30 gram pack and the price is rupees 299. But Lakme CC cream also has smaller packs, but I couldn't find the shades Honey and Almond in smaller packs. But yeah, I found the shades Beige and Bronze in smaller packs. Those are of 9 gram and they are only for rupees 99. This foundation is of 27 ml and the price is rupees 155. In this side, I'm going to use the CC cream and in this side, I'm going to use the foundation. I'm going to blend the products using a damn beauty blender. But if you don't have a beauty blender, you can blend with a foundation brush. But if you don't have any blending tools, then don't worry, you have your fingers, right? You can blend just with your fingers. Even before I had any applicator to blend, I used my fingers to blend. Let's start with the foundation. Now let's apply the CC cream. You can stop here and set your base with some powder, but I'm feeling like using some concealer. So today I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. I'm in the shade 04 Nude. Next for powder, again I have two options for you. One is the Lakme Radiance Compact in the shade Natural Marble. And another one is Johnson's Baby Powder. Yes guys, you can definitely use Johnson's Baby Powder to set your base if you don't have any compact powder or loose powder. The price of the Lakme Radiance Compact is Rs 155 and the price of the Johnson's Baby Powder is 75. Again you are saving money on this. In this side I'll apply Johnson's Baby Powder and in this side I'll apply the Radiance Compact. Now I'm gonna fill in my brows and for that I'm gonna use this ADS eyebrow pencil, which is only for Rs 10. Yes guys, this is only for Rs 10. This video definitely deserves a like because just think how much money you are saving because of me. Don't forget to like. I'm gonna use a spoolie to brush my eyebrows and this one is an old mascara wand which I'm using as a spoolie now. This step is totally optional, but I'm using a flat brush and I've used some concealer and now I'm gonna define my eyebrows. And now I'm blending it with my finger. Once again guys, I have two options to moisturize lips. One is the Vaseline Petroleum Jelly and another one is Borolin. This one is only for Rs 5 and this one is for Rs 70. But sadly, the Vaseline is almost over, so I'm gonna use Borolin. This has a creamy texture and the Vaseline has a jelly-like texture. Now I'm gonna line my lips using Glam 21 lip liner and this is only for Rs 25. Now I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick and I'm gonna use this in 3 ways: as a lipstick, as a blush and as an eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Volume 1 palette and I'm taking this shade called Mix. This is totally optional, you can skip it, but I felt like adding a little glam to my eye look. Now I'm gonna use this Lakme Insta Black Liquid Liner to line my eyes. This is only for rupees 110. Now I'm gonna use this Maybelline New York Hypercurl Mascara. And this is for rupees 293. You can also use Blue Heaven Mascara if you want. That one is only for rupees 120. I actually used that mascara earlier, but recently it dried out and I threw the bottle away, but I kept the wand and now I use it to brush my eyebrow, which you have seen earlier in the video. But I can show you the picture of the mascara. Here's how it looks. I applied a black kohl pencil in my waterline off camera, and this one it is MAC Black Eye Pencil. Now I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter number 02, and I bought this for rupees 250, but now the price has risen up to 296. Now I'm gonna set my makeup, and for that I'm gonna use Kiss Beauty Aloe Fresh Makeup Fix Spray. It's a 120 ml bottle which costed me rupees 200. This is the final look. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday, so hit the ding ding bell icon so that you never miss an update. Make sure to follow me and my sister on Instagram and do like my Facebook page. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and don't forget that you are beautiful. Bye bye.